Just making a small video of my Kraken 580. Yeah, had a brown out with it the other day. Had to replace EAC. A lot of parts, all total to about 8,000 Rand. Don't know how much that is in dollars. But yeah, she's back together. My wiring is nice and done that side. All there. Got another Contronic EAC. Made a small extension. Because when she went down, those caps on the other one was other way around. So the caps got damaged in front when she went down nose first. So what I did was all the way there. I have my one satellite at the back there. I put a power guard on as well. So if you lose your battery or your EC, then you will still have power to the servos. Yes, put all my wiring and trunking. So the one satellite is there for spectrum. And then running down, all the wires going down to the front, and I put the one on the skid in front because you've got carbon fiber, and with the carbon fiber it throws your signal away. Only run a 6 cell, one 6 cell. Don't like running 2 cell 2 packs. So that's my small extension there, so it goes around there. Yeah, and everything is good to go. So yeah, she must just now put blades on, and then we will take her up for a spin again and go and do a test flight on the my Kraken 580. And yes, that is how she looks, beautiful with her canopy on, everything. So even if I've got the tubing with my satellite going, it goes inside there, and otherwise going down. So yes, it all fits in nicely. Just quickly added the canopy trims, the rubber that goes around the top there, just for extra protection. And yeah, that is her to go. So next weekend or during the week, I'll make a plan and take her up, take a small video of that. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.